In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable Google Authentication in Base44. We'll walk through this together step by step, so if you're following along on your own screen, feel free to pause the video at any point. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go inside Base44 to turn Google Sign-In on or off for your workspace. First, make sure you're logged into your Base44 account in your browser. Once you're in, you should see the main interface of your app or workspace. From here, the very first thing you want to do is click on the dashboard. This is usually visible in the main navigation area. The dashboard is your central hub, and it's where you can access all the high-level settings and configuration options for your app. After you've opened the dashboard, look for the settings option. This might be located in a sidebar, a top navigation menu, or a dedicated gear icon, depending on how your screen is laid out. Go ahead and click on settings. This is where Base44 keeps most of the configuration tools that control how your app behaves, including authentication, permissions, and other app-wide preferences. Once you're inside the settings area, take a moment to scan the different sections. You're looking specifically for the section labeled Authentication. When you find it, click on Authentication to open it. This is the key area where you manage how users log in to your app. Here, you'll see options related to different login methods. One of those options will be Google Authentication. Depending on your current setup, it might already be enabled or it might be turned off. If you want to enable Google Authentication, look for a toggle, checkbox, or similar control next to the Google option and switch it on. This allows your users to sign in using their Google accounts, which can make logging in faster and more secure. If your organization prefers not to use Google Sign-In, simply switch this option off, and users will no longer be able to authenticate through Google. After making your change, always double check that the toggle reflects what you want. If there is a save or apply button, be sure to click it so your changes take effect. And that's it. By going from the dashboard into settings and then into authentication, you can quickly enable or disable Google Authentication in Base44 whenever you need to.